All right, so Donkey's getting the radiator in on Ronnie's truck over there. So far, so good. We get to go putting the transcooler fittings in. And this one fits on both hard lines. This one won't start. So I ran a tap through it because it's half 20. Check that, threads are fine. I actually put a little more chamfer on this with my 45-degree seat cutter. That didn't do it. So then I take dial caliper. Go on the one it fits. And you're about 454 thousandths. Go on the one that doesn't fit. And you are... Get in there, you bitch. 446 thousandths. Oh, sorry, I was interrupted. I'm just gonna bump a drill bit straight through this and then hit it again with the half 20, and we'll be good. Machining inconsistencies. I don't know how that passed QC, but it damn. Machine 8 thousandths out of them, and away we go. Now they fit perfect.